You saying hi to Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. I don't know who you're calling. Don't call China. Megan's not there anymore. Let's make sure you're not calling strange people. Say hi, Daddy. Usually she doesn't do this with the phone because she has too much fun playing with the buttons and the fancy blue light. But she started sticking it behind her ear, so I thought I'd get a video while I can. She had never done this before. And then we were at a friend's house the other night, and she took a toy phone and stuck it behind her ear. And I just about cried. Let's make sure. Don't call 911. Alright, say bye-bye, everybody. Leah. Leah. Say bye-bye. Okay, I better take this away from you.